Now, you've been observing this sector very, very closely over a long period of time. I wanted to take your, take first on this 75 policies in a day kind of a target that this person was seen asking his employees to do or juniors to do. Is that a usual target that is given to a bank employee?
So these targets that are given, multiple targets are given to branch managers. And insurance is just one of them. They have targets for selling savings accounts, term deposits, and life insurance. A whole lot of multiple targets are given. And depending on urgency, a day they will keep shifting and emphasizing whichever targets they feel that there is a shortfall. And today, if you walk to any private bank branch, you will see that the branch staff are under enormous pressure to meet these multiple targets that are given to them by the top management.
And to help our viewers understand why is exactly there so much pressure on bankers to sell these many insurance policies in a single day.
So, Sakshi, clearly banks are allowed to cross-sell products. They can cross-sell many products like PPF is there, mutual fund is there, insurance policies are there. But why banks are focusing on insurance policies? The one answer to it is high commission rates. When they sell PPF, the commission might be nothing. When they are selling mutual fund, it is around 0.5% that is paid to bankers. But when it is insurance policies, it is up to 50% of the premium that is paid as commission to banks. So clearly it adds to their profit, and their profit increases when they sell these third-party products.
What are the kinds of mis-selling products that is done here? What could a user really end up with in such cases if not properly educated like you've been talking about?
You see, I have known of instances, of course we don't know in this case what exactly has happened, where customers want to open a bank deposit and they are completely missold. Actually the bank staff do fraud. They deliberately put their money into an insurance product. The customer believes he has opened a savings account or he's opened a term deposit.
Okay.
Only when the premium comes in that they realize there's something wrong. And then when they approach the branch, they realize that they have not got a bank deposit, they have got an insurance policy where they have to pay premiums for about 15 years. In other cases, I've come across even students whom you cannot sell a policy to because they are not earning.
Okay.
The banks have forged their age, forged their income proofs, and they show the total collapse in underwriting standards even of the insurance companies because there has to be a verification done. But the entire process is so corrupted to achieve your targets that you have such practices.
Tina, what is the recourse measure for a consumer who has been, who's now holding a missold policy?
Sakshi, in every insurance ad we see there is a phrase which is called insurance is a matter of solicitation, which clearly means that insurance should be asked for and it should not be sold. But as we have discussed, there are so many cases of mis-selling of insurance policies. So if you have been the victim of insurance policies, there are several ways, several recourse measures to get your money back. So one of the first things that you need to do is to look whether the free look period is still on in your policy. So according to IRDIA guidelines, you get a free look period of 15 days in which you can cancel your policy if you think it is missold. And the beauty of free look period is, without any questions asked, insurance company have to cancel your policy if it is missold to you. So company cannot ask you or to give, the onus is on you to say that insurance has been missold to me. But only fact you should know that in this case, under free look period, you might be deducted some charges like mortality rate of that period or some other nominal charges. But if that free look period has expired, what if the 15-30 days, whatever your insurance company gives, has already expired? What is the second level of measure that you can take? Then in that case, you should reach out to your insurance company. You should write what has happened to you. You should give a detailed email under which in which branch the incident happened or which agent you were involved with, and you should directly contact with your insurance company. Then again, you have to wait for 30 days. If you do not get satisfactory answer from the insurance company, then you have then you can go to the third level, which is IRDIA level, the insurance regulator level. So they have set up the system called Insurance Bharosa system, under which you can register your complaint. So this is three levels which you can use to register your insurance complaint. First, step the free look period. Otherwise, go to the insurance company directly. 30 days period is there. Otherwise, escalate it to the regulator. But you have to be proactive, because after 15 days, the onus is on you to prove that the insurance has been missold to you.